Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We got big news today, and that big news is the world's largest asset manager, at least the US's largest asset manager, is going to offer crypto trading. And what's more, they want to dive directly into crypto. Now, this has come from inside sources. We haven't confirmed this stuff, but we know it's probably true. BlackRock has been kind of bullish on crypto for a long time. I think they've been eyeing an entry into this market for quite a while. And that's definitely a good thing to have like a multi-trillion dollar asset manager come into the cryptoverse. So this is from Yahoo News. BlackRock, which is the world's largest asset manager, also my RIA provider. The world's largest asset manager is preparing to offer a cryptocurrency trading service to its investor clients. They manage over $10 trillion in assets for institutions. So its clients include public pension schemes, which is huge. Pension funds are a whole lot of money. Endowments, like university endowments, and sovereign wealth funds. Not too clear on those, but those have a lot of money too. And they're going to allow it to trade cryptocurrency through Aladdin, which is kind of like their platform for asset liability, debt, derivative, and investment network. So we don't really know when they're going to allow this, but it's probably sometime in the next year or two. BlackRock itself did not actually comment on this. Essentially, like they hired kind of like this kind of like blockchain strategy lead a while ago, and they've been hinting in that direction for a long time. And they've been sending positive signals to the U.S. market regarding crypto. They just got like a blockchain and tech ETF passed. This is not a Bitcoin spot ETF, by the way. It's just a blockchain and tech ETF for companies. And they also own over 16% of MicroStrategy, which we all know is run by Michael Saylor, which is a incredible Bitcoin maxi. So BlackRock has actually been interested in crypto and Bitcoin in particular for a very, very long time. And they could actually come in. This coupled with Russia coming into crypto, and also this coupled with the state of Tennessee, also Texas and Arizona wanting to come into crypto, makes things very, very bullish. But BlackRock specifically, especially since some of those clients you mentioned could actually be pension funds. That's pretty crazy. And what's even more, another person with knowledge said BlackRock was looking to get hands-on with outright crypto. So they want to get some crypto right away. And they were looking at providers in the space. Now, I don't really know what legislation or regulation says on this. I'm not really sure if BlackRock is allowed to directly get into crypto because of regulations in this space. But if they do, that could be billions upon billions of dollars coming into crypto. Even at a slow flow rate into crypto, that would actually generate a lot of positivity in the cryptocurrency market. And if they're buying OTC, they would actually cause OTC to dry up really, really fast. Because these asset managers like BlackRock and Fidelity, they control trillions upon trillions of dollars worth of funds. Even 1% of 1 trillion is still $10 billion. And even at a slow buy rate, a $10 billion buy will actually impact crypto prices. And if they're buying BlackRock controls about 10 trillion, so essentially 1% would be $100 billion. And that's like a bigger buy than we've seen from like any other company. And that's a whole lot of Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin's market cap is in the trillions, but you don't actually need $1 trillion. You really don't need $1 trillion to actually move Bitcoin prices all that much. Like 100 billion will just skyrocket it up, even if it's buying over 2 or 3 months or even longer than that. Because basically, essentially, you only need probably like 2% of the market cap in terms of like money coming into the market over a fairly short a period of time to actually move the market. So it's really not that hard to think that something like BlackRock, Fidelity, plus many states and countries actually coming into crypto at roughly the same year, pumping Bitcoin way, way up. That's actually one of the reasons it's one of the reasons why I'm super, super, super bullish on cryptocurrencies in general right now, at least over the next few years. Like day to day, it's going to be really hard to predict. But because you see news like this all the time of big fund managers, big asset managers and other things coming into crypto like this, it's really like a no-brainer that it's going to be actually quite big. It doesn't even really matter which one you buy because you're going to make money since everything depends on Bitcoin price going up. You know that these people buying in, they're buying Bitcoin, which will actually make the rest of the market go up as well. So BlackRock coming into Bitcoin, wanting to get outright into Bitcoin, and also allowing pension funds to maybe buy cryptos. Huge news. Could be the best news I've heard yet this year. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.